Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add music to video on Android. Let's get started. First, open Google Photos or your phone's built-in video editor. Most Android phones like Realme, Samsung, or Xiaomi have a built-in editing tool. Find the video you want to edit and tap Edit. In the editing menu, look for the music or soundtrack option. And after that, tap it. Then, choose from the available background tracks or select Add Music to pick a song from your phone and adjust the volume or trim the audio if needed. Once you're happy with the music, tap Save or Export. Your video with background music will be saved to your gallery, ready to share on social media. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.